Does your webcam make you look like a blurry smudge during your online classes? Upgrade your webcam with the EMEET C100. As teachers, our presence matters. Today, I'm unboxing and testing out the EMEET C100 Series 2K webcam to see if it's the ultimate affordable upgrade for our virtual classrooms and the best budget-friendly option for teachers and educators. I picked this up specifically for my online classes and sessions because it offers 2K resolution at a great price point. This is ideal for online classes, remote Zoom team meetings, remote work, and video calls. My first impression is that it is compact, has a built-in privacy cover. It features high-density USB mini webcam, high-speed built-in microphone, ensures your voice is heard clearly in any environment. Plug and play, no drivers needed. Simply connect via USB port and start your video calls in seconds. It has privacy cover. Adaptive light correction automatically adjusts to different lighting conditions, ensuring you always look your best. It's truly plug and play.
Hi Sterling, how are you? Good. Okay, you don't see me yet, right? Try to set up your guitar. By the way, are you ready? But how's my image? Is it clear? It looks much better than last time, right? Is there lagging? No, right? It's because it's an EMEET. It just came this afternoon. I bought a camera because I got tired of using the old camera, and also it's an old already. It's an old camera. It's this one.
It also autofocuses quickly, so no more blurry moments when you hold a thing up to the lens.
The resolution is 2K. It says clear image quality, plug and play. So I'm using it now and for the rest of our sessions. Okay, let's get started. But I don't see you. Yeah. Do I have to end the call and then give you a call, or you give me a call? Sorry. Okay, so I'll be the one to call you. Okay. Yeah, good. Now I see you. Okay, so you have your homework. I ask you to get familiar, or let's go through those 15 types of chords in key of D. And you know what? This eCam, it has a cover, or it has a device that, not really a device, but something that I can flip to hide myself so that you don't see me. I just have to turn this thing. Now you don't see me. Something that covers the camera, the lens of the camera. But if I sweep it to the side, now you see me. Good thing my previous camera doesn't have that feature. Okay.
One feature I appreciate is the wide field of view. If you move around while teaching, this camera captures it all without cutting you off. The built-in microphone is clear enough for lectures if you don't have a dedicated mic yet. Is it worth it? For the price and the boost in professional look, absolutely.
This is good. This camera is good. This one's good. Thumbs up.
If you want to stop being a blurry teacher and start being a 2K teacher, the EMEET C100 is a solid choice. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.